Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can apply a drop shadow effect to shapes in CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So as you can see, I've done that with this rectangle. Let me show you how I did that by adding a new rectangle. So position it here. Let me also apply a fill color. Here, fill. We go with blue. Right, this one here, click into OK. So what you want to do, guys, is left click into the given object, and here on the left sidebar, click into the shadow tool. And what you want to do, guys, it works intuitively. So you want to left click into the center of your object, right? Left click, hold the left mouse, and then you will see that that frame, let's say, while holding your left mouse, and you may position it to position the shadow effect, right? So you may put it slightly far more distant from the original object or close to it, like this. And you will see the shadow effect in the background. Now, what you want to do, of course, is customize it, right? You may use that slider here to adjust the intensity or opacity, so to make the shadow more intense or less. You may, change the position of the shadow effect by repositioning that arrow, for example, and also the angle here. So you may, for example, put it on one of these X and Y axes to apply a shadow like this, for example, right? But if you put it in the center, it may look like this, and depending on the arrow, on the arrow direction, the shadow may look like this, right? So that's actually it. Now, let me just put it back into the center. So that's actually how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.